Turkish defense company Baykar, says its first jet-powered unmanned aerial combat vehicle has completed its maiden flight. Turkey's new drone powered by a jet engine exhibits exterior features similar to fifth-generation fighter jets. Baykar said in addition to conventional drone missions, Kizilelma will be able to carry out air-to-air strikes. As reported, Baykar showed the UCAV Kizilelma taking off and then returning to an airbase it said was in northwestern Kurlu province, 85 kilometers west of Istanbul. The company's Bayraktar TB2 drones have previously stood out in global conflicts, propelling Baykar into the global spotlight and turning it into a major producer and exporter. International demand for the propeller-driven Baykar drone has soared after its impact in Syria, Ukraine, and Libya, where laser-guided armor-piercing bombs helped repel attacks by UAE-backed forces 2 years ago. Selçuk Bayraktar, Baykar's chief technology officer, said in the video that Kizilelma had successfully completed its maiden flight. The UCAV will increase the top speed and carrying capacity of Turkey's existing drones, which have also played an important role in the conflicts in Libya and northern Iraq. Malaysia and Indonesia have expressed interest in purchasing armed drones from Turkey, while 20 of them have been delivered to the United Arab Emirates. Baykar plans to complete construction of its factory in Ukraine, the only one outside Turkey, within 2 years.